Yo guys, how are you? Yep, it's me again, Ian. Yep, today we are in some special car, 4-wheel drive. Show you a bit of that. Oh, can you see that? There's a sub there. Come, let's check it out. Yep, it's a Mazda BT50. Come, let's check it out inside here what they have. Firstly is the Morel limited edition. I think this is the anniversary version. Yep, so nicely done pillar here. Okay. Next we have some depth player already equipped nicely, and of course there's another player here installed. I'm not sure you can see. Here's the player, very nicely done. Come guys, we go check out what's behind the seat, not in the boot. Special Come. Yep, with HELIX DSP Ultra. Yeah, comes down to the C4. Nicely done. I give you guys a closer look on the C4. Yep, it's right behind the seat. Here we go, wide angle. Yep, later they will be covered something so you still can sit with people. Yeah, come give you a front look. Yeah, BT50 Mazda. Not bad, not bad. Maybe I should bring him into Mazda Audio Club. Okay guys, catch you guys again. Maybe you wait for him to post the video of his sound in some Facebook group. See you guys.